All right. So the chapter we are going to start is constructions. Now, in this chapter, you have to learn few things, first of all, before exactly starting with the exercise. First of all, you need to know what is perpendicular bisector. Right? Yes, Mridula, Hamna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will learn how to construct the perpendicular bisector. Then secondly, we will learn how to draw the angle bisector. And thirdly, we will learn how to construct various angles with the help of a compass. So angles, basically angles by compass we can write, or the construction of angles. So angles like 60 degrees, 90 degree, 120 degree, 45 degree, like that. So various angles we will learn how to construct. So I'll start with 60, 90 and 120 first of all. These are the basic three angles you should learn. So okay, perpendicular bisector. So let me draw a rough figure just to explain what is a perpendicular bisector, right? So you have a line, let's say any line AB, right? This is a rough construction I'm doing. And now you have to divide this line exactly into two parts. So you will draw its perpendicular bisector, all right? So like if we get some line here, so basically if this line divides it into two equal parts, then we call it a perpendicular bisector. Then your AC becomes equal to your CB, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will see how to make perpendicular bisector with the help of a compass. Okay, let me just explain what is called an angle bisector. Angle bisector means if you have two rays and they form any angle, like this is the angle formed by the ray. So you have to draw a line such that it divides this angle into two equal parts. So if somehow we get this line, which is dividing the angle into two equal parts, so this is also x and this is also x, all right? So this line, basically this dotted line, will be the angle bisector of the original angle. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So actually we have to draw this line, let's say A and this C. So AC is basically your construction. Okay, let's draw this with the help of a compass. So I'm going to start with my video, if you can see. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, are you able to see my screen or my notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Now let me tell you how to make a perpendicular bisector of any line. So let us draw any line first of all. Let's say I'm drawing a line of 8 centimeters. Are you able to see the line on my copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the line AB, which is 8 centimeters I have taken. Now I want to draw its angle perpendicular bisector. So I'm going to take some distance in my compass, and that distance should be more than half of AB. So any distance I can take, it should be more than half, like this much I'm taking, all right? It's not fixed. I mean, you can take this, you can take this, but somehow, like somewhat more than half of AB you have to take. Now, taking this distance and you fix your compass. Now place this point or place this compass on the point A, all right? And you draw an arc here, like this, right? And one arc downside also, below AB. Now with the same distance, don't change the distance in the compass. Now you place your compass at point B and then you cut this arc. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So see here you are missing. You can again extend this arc. Again, you put it point A and just draw it like this. Now you are getting 2 points. So just mark these 2 points carefully, this one and this point, right? Now you join these points with the help of a scale. So place your scale here and draw a dotted line. Right? Now you can measure this distance from, let's say this point is O. All right. So you measure AO with the help of your scale. So this is exactly 4 centimeter. You can see. Yeah, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and again here it is again 4 centimeter. So this line, if I call this line or name this point P and Q. So the line PQ has divided my original line AB into 2 equal parts. So PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us learn. You also have to write the steps of construction. So when we come to the exercise, then we will start writing them. Now I'm telling you how to draw the angle bisector. Now let's say you draw any angle first of all. Draw a ray here and then one ray here, like any measurement I'm taking randomly. Okay, these are the 2 rays. Let this point is X. Now this is the angle, right? So I want to draw the angle bisector for this angle. Now what you have to do is you take any distance in your compass, all right? You have any distance you can take. Now place your compass here and you draw an arc like this. Cut both the lines, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have got 2 points here. One point is this and another point is this. Now you can also change the distance or you can keep it same. I'm just changing, doesn't matter. I'm just changing it. Now I'm putting it here, my compass, and I'm making an arc. Now you cannot change the distance. Now keep the distance same, and with the same distance in your compass, you place it here at this point, sorry, at this point, right? And now you cut this arc, right? Now you have got 1 point. Now you join this point with X with the help of a scale. So this line XP is the angle bisector of this angle. Is this clear, Mridula?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the 2 things you should know. Now how to divide a line into 2 equal parts, which is called the perpendicular bisector, and how to divide an angle into 2 equal parts, which is called the angle bisector for that angle. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, Miraj, you are also here. Can you hear me? Yes, Miraj, please unmute your mic. Okay, anyway. Okay, let us start with the exercise now. Do you have your book with you, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then see the question in your book. So it is saying construct an angle of 90 degree at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. So you have to construct an angle of 90 degrees. So now you will learn how to construct an angle of 90 degree. Let me start my video. Okay. So any ray you can take. I am taking any line. Let's say again 8 centimeter line I'm drawing. See, since the measurement is not given in the question, you can take measurement as per your wish. Okay, this is my line AB. Okay, let's wait a minute. Before starting with the construction of 90 degree angle, Let us learn few more things. Okay. Yes, Miraj, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm not starting with the question now. First of all, I want to tell you how to construct some basic angles like 60-degree angle. Then we will learn how to construct 120-degree angle, and then I'll come to a 90-degree angle. Okay. So if you want to construct an angle of 60-degree, you will do it like this. You will draw a line. Let's say line AB I have drawn. Now take your compass and fix some distance in it. Okay. This much distance I have fixed. Any distance you can take. Now place this compass here at point A, right? And I'm making an arc like this. Is this visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the arc I have drawn, right? Now don't change the distance in your compass. Fix the distance. Now again, keep it here at this point and mark an arc here, right? Now you have got one point. Now join this point with line A, point A. And you can extend the line. So if you measure this angle with the help of your protector, this angle will come out to be 60-degree. I'm just showing you. You place your protector here and then you can see it is exactly 60-degree. Can you see here? This is 60, this is 120, right? If you see from this side, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, right? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
this angle which we have constructed is exactly 60-degree. So this is how we construct an angle of 60-degree. Is this clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is 60-degree angle we have constructed. Now let us learn how to construct an angle of 120-degree. Okay. Now 120-degree, you will do the same thing. First, you will construct an angle of 60-degree. Because since it is, see, this is the rough construction. Like 60-degree angle will be an acute angle. You all know, right? Now 120-degree angle is going to be this side, obtuse angle, isn't it? Yes. So I'm just drawing my line a bit here so that I can have my angle this side. Let's say any line I'm drawing. No fixed measurement, any line, X, Y. Now for 120-degree, first of all, we will construct an angle of 60-degree. So again, you take some distance in your compass, right? I've taken this much distance. Now you place your compass here and draw an arc. Now you extend this
What's the name of the line?
XY, any line you can mark, A, B, X, Y, whatever, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you make an arc and this time you make a bigger arc because you are making 120-degree angle like this. Okay. Are you people also constructing with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so should I go slowly? Just tell me whatever suits you, tell me.
No, ma'am, it's fine.
Okay, so I have drawn an arc. Now with the same distance, don't change the distance in the compass. Put it here and draw an arc. So this angle is 60-degree. We have already constructed, right?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
120 is 60 plus 60. So this time I'm going to put my compass at the 60-degree point and I'm making one more R here. So this angle is going to be 120-degree. So you mark this point here and join this with point X like this. So there's no need to join this with this because we want to draw 120-degree angle. So there's no need to show the 60-degree angle in this case, right? We can only make use of this arc, that's it. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the actual angle which we are asked to draw, we will join that line only. And we draw a dotted line just to show that this is the like actual construction we are doing, right? This is the 120-degree we have constructed. So this XY was the original line we have taken, and this is the line by construction, right? This is by construction. So that is why just to highlight this line, we make it a dotted line. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us learn how to construct an angle of 90 degree. So 60 degree, 120 degree, you know. Now 90 degree angle. So here, let me turn my page. All right. For 90 degree angle, you draw any line. Any line you can take. Okay, right? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for 90 degree, what we will do is, let's take it a bit this side. Wait, I'm just erasing it. Okay, this is the line I'm taking, right? A, B, whatever. You can give any name to the line. Now again, take some distance in your compass, right? Now put it here and draw an arc, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now make an angle of 60 degree by putting it here and making an arc. This is the 60 degree point. Now again, put it here, and this is again one more arc. So this is your 120 degree point. This much you know, right?
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
60 degree. This is 120 degree. Now see, what is 90? 90 degree, it will be equal to 60 plus 30, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
60 plus 30. So what we will do is, see, from 60 degree to 120 degree, this complete angle is 60, right? Yes, Miraj?
Yes, ma'am.
This is also 60, this is also 60. So if we divide this angle like into two equal parts, so we will get an angle of 90 degree. I mean, we add 30 degree to 60 degree, so that will give us 90 degree, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So basically what we will do here, we will draw angle bisector of this angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm not joining these 2 points because this is not the angle I'm basically asked. So I'm just marking the points because I want to make use of these 2 points. So I'm just like marking these 2 points. That's it. Now, I have already told you how to draw the angle bisector for any angle. So you take some distance in your compass, any distance you can take. This much I'm taking, right? Now, one time you put it here and you make an arc. Next time you put it here at this point and then you cut this arc. All right. So this point we have got. Now join this point with the point A with the help of your scale. So make a dotted line. So this is the 90 degree angle by construction. Any problem
No, ma'am.
or any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Miraj, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So were you there when I was telling how to draw the angle bisector for any angle?
No, ma'am.
Oh, you were not there. Okay, again, just see quickly. If you want to draw angle bisector for any angle, how to draw it? Angle bisector, you know what is an angle bisector? I mean, the line which divides any angle into two equal parts, right? See, this is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
rough. You have any angle, this angle. Now you want to divide this angle into two equal parts. So if you draw somehow a line like this, so this line will be like this AB line will be the angle bisector for this angle. All right. Now,
Okay.
how to draw the angle bisector? By construction. Like you have any angle if you have. I'm not fixing the measurement, any measurement you can take. This is the angle you are having, right? Now you want to divide this angle into two equal parts. It's very simple. You take some distance in your compass, any distance, right? Put it here and make an arc. Cut this into, like, you mark these 2 points, all right? Now, taking any distance in your compass, either same distance or you can change, doesn't matter, you can change. So with this distance, put it here and make an arc. Now don't change the distance. Now with the same distance, you put here and cut this arc. So when you are cutting the arc from two sides, you have to keep the distance in your compass same in every question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so this is the point you have got. And if you join this point with this here, so this line will be the angle bisector for the given angle. This is how you draw, right? Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
now come back to this question. So basically, let me just to explain, I'm just drawing a line here, 60 degree. This is 60 degree angle, right? And this is your 120 degree angle. So basically I have this angle, and I want to divide this angle into two equal parts so that I can have 30 this side and 30 this side. And then when I add 30 to this 60, it will give me 90 degree angle. That is what I'm doing. Is this clear?
Yes.
So basically this is the angle I'm having, and I'm drawing the angle bisector for this angle. So the same thing, like I've drawn an arc here, this arc. So this arc was actually there. So I did not require to draw it again. It was already here. So I already had these 2 points, right? Yeah, right. So I just simply made use of these 2 points. So I've put my compass here and I've drawn an arc, and then I've put my compass here, I've drawn an arc. So now this complete angle, I'm just messing up the figure. So this complete angle now have divided into 2 equal parts. This is also 30 degree and this is also 30 degree. All right. And this was my 60 degree from here to here. So basically when I add this 30 with my 60, so I get an angle of 90 degree here. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. So basically I have made use of the angle bisector in this case. Now I think we can come to exercise. So basic angles, you know how to draw 60 degree, how to draw 120 degree, and how to draw 90 degree. Now you also have to write the steps of construction. So with the exercise, we will do it. Now question number 1, sorry. Okay. Oh yeah, what was the question? Construct an angle of 90 degree. So 90 degree I've just drawn. Should I need to draw it again?
No, ma'am.
Okay, 90 degree, you know. Now we will draw an angle of 45 degree. Next question number 2. Construct an angle of 45 degree at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. So 45 degree we are going to make. So 45 exactly half of 90, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am.
basically, first of all, we will construct an angle of 90 degree and then we will draw the angle bisector of 90 degree angle that will give us 45 degree. That we have to do. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so start making an angle of 90 degree. First of all, you take any ray. Okay, any ray I'm taking, right? AB,
Huh?
AB. Now again 60 degree. So you take a distance, any distance here, and put it here and make a curve. So I've made an arc like this. Right. Now put the same distance. So don't change the distance. With the same distance, you make a point here. This is 60 degree. Now again, you put it here. So you have to place it very accurately, right? Otherwise the measurements will change. Now make an arc here. So this is your 120 degree, right? Now you can keep the distance same or you can change it. Now you can change it. But from both sides, your distance should be same. So I've marked some distance. Now from this side, make an arc. And with the same distance from this side, again, make an arc, right? So join this line. This is the 90 degree angle we have got. So since this is by construction, so I'll draw a dotted line because this is not the given angle. I'm drawing a dotted line. 90 degree I have got. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I have to draw the angle bisector of 90-degree angle. So that will give me 45 degree. So for angle bisector, you require an arc. So this arc is already here, right? You don't have to draw it. You simply make use of these 2 points. Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these 2 points are already there. Now you take any distance. Take any distance. Now you put it here and make an arc. Now with the same distance, put it here at this point and you make an arc. Now this point, if you join it with A, right? So this angle is your 45 degree. You can also check it with the help of your protector. And in case you have not drawn it correctly, you have to draw it again. Otherwise you will lose your marks. See, this is exactly 45 if you can see, right? Okay. Now come to steps of construction. You also have to write the steps of construction. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us write in our own language. We can write, it's easy. First, draw a line. See, we are not constructing because we are drawing the line AB. So I have used the word draw. Is it clear? Draw a line AB first. Of any length you can write, or if it is given in the question, you can write of length this much centimeter. So draw a line AB. Now second, make an arc. Make an arc on point A, right? Make an arc on point A, and with the same distance in the compass. So we are not changing the distance in the compass. With the same distance in the compass, make 2 arcs at point. Now you can name these points. Let's say these are C and D. At point C and D, right? Okay. Third, now taking some distance in the compass, right? So now you have put your compass at point C and you have drawn an arc. So we will write taking some distance in the compass from point C, make an arc, right? Now with the same distance from D, cut that arc. So we will write in this only with the same distance from point D, cut the arc, right? And let's say this is point E, cut the arc at E. Now join AE, all right? Is this clear? So I'm writing in my own words, whatever I'm doing. So once you understand, you can write it in your own words. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so far 90-degree angle is complete. Now we are drawing the angle bisector of 90 degrees. So we have made use of these 2 points, right? So I'm giving name, let's say this is O, this is P. So I've made use of point O and P, and I've drawn these 2 arcs. So this time I'll write taking some distance in the compass make an arc from point O. So with the same distance, cut this arc from point P, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's say this is what's the W, right? So join AW, point AW. So right like line AW is okay, don't have to write this. Now that's it. I mean, the construction is complete here. And or you can write angle WAB is the required angle. Required angle of 45 degree. That's it. So there's no fixed rule of writing steps of construction. In your own words, you can write whatever steps you are taking, just start writing it down. Is this clear, Hamna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'll not write for every question. Once you will learn how to write, you can write it yourself. Yes, Miraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can also take help from the examples which are given in your book. That will also help you how to write the steps of construction. Just a minute. Okay, next. Construct the angles of the following measurements. So 30-degree angle you have to construct. And let us draw an angle of 30 degree. And then 22.5. So I'm writing here 30 degree, then 22.5 degree you have to construct, and 15 degree you have to construct. Okay, so 30 degree is easy, right? Half of 60, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So for 30-degree angle, first we will draw an angle of 60 degree and then we will draw the angle bisector of that angle. So to draw the angle of 60 degree, yes, Miraj, any confusion here? So keep in mind, see, it's going to be an acute angle. 60 degrees like this, and then 30 is half of it. So it's going to be this side in your copy. So you draw the initial line accordingly, right? Okay, so I've drawn a line here, any line. So let's draw a bit bigger. Fine. This is the line. Now first make an angle of 60 degree. So you take any distance and draw an arc. So because it is 60 degrees, so you don't have to draw a bigger arc. This much is enough because it will fall somewhat here. Now with the same distance, don't change the distance, keep it here and make an arc. So this point is your 60 degree point. Now you don't require to join this because 60 degree is not asked in the question. You are asked 30 degree. So, or you can join, I mean, your wish, but okay, let me just join it. It will make it a bit easier to see what we are doing. Okay. You can skip it or you can join it, your wish. So I have joined it. This is my 60 degree line, right? Now for 30 degree, I have to draw the angle bisector for this angle. So this arc is already there. I don't require to draw it again. So I'll make use of this point and I'll make use of this point, right? Yes. So take any distance in your compass. Once you put it here at this point, make an arc. Now you put your compass here at this point and you cut this arc. Join this point. Right? So this angle is your 30-degree angle. And yes, when you are doing construction, always do all the markings. I mean, write it 30-degree like that. Okay. Yes, Miraj, any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Hamna, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next, 22 and a half. Okay, what is the double of 22 and a half? See, 22 means 44, and then half and half means one more, so 45 degree. Yes, Mridula?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if we draw an angle of 45 degree and then we construct its angle bisector, so we are going to get 22 and a half. Yes, Miraj?
Ma'am.
So in this question, there are a lot of angles. First, we will make 60 degree, then we will make 120 degree. Then with the help of these two angles, we will draw 90 degree. Then we will draw the angle bisector of 90 degree. We will get 45 degree. And then again, we will draw the angle bisector of 45 degree. That will give us 22 and a half degree. Is this clear? So a lot of steps. Let's start. But it's not that complicated. Draw it in the center, your line. Let's say this is the line I'm taking. Since the measurement of the line is not given, you can take any measurement. Right, this is my line AB. Let me write AB. Okay, so again, 60 degree, take any distance in your compass, any fixed distance, right? Put it here and make an arc. So make a big arc this time, right? Now, with the same distance, you cut this arc. This is 60 degree point. Now again, you put it here very accurately and then make another arc. This is 120 degree point. Yes, Miraj?
Ma'am.
Okay. Now this angle I want to divide, so I'll make its angle bisector. So what I'll do is I'll take some distance in my compass, right? I'm going to put it here. I'll make an arc. And then with the same distance, I'm going to put it here and I'm going to cut this arc. Okay. Right? This is my 90 degree angle. Now you join this line. Now, this line is important to join. Why? Because, see, I'll tell you. The 60 degree and 120 degree lines are not that important because these points are already, you can see clearly, you can make use of these 2 points without drawing a line. Yes. But
Yes, ma'am.
now if you want to divide this 90 degree angle further, you will need 2 points, this point and this point, right? So these 2 points you will use this time because you want to divide this complete angle, isn't it? This
Yes,
much
ma'am.
angle you are dividing. So you will take this point and you will take this point. Let me mark point O and P you want to take now. So if you will not join this line, you will not get the point O. Yes, Miraj? So without joining this line, your point O will not be there. So that is why your 90 degree line has to be drawn. Clear, Hamna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now point O and P are there.
And can you repeat what you said?
Yes, I am saying, see, with the point A, I have not joined this 60 degree line because it's not important. Why? Because I want to make an angle of 90 degree, right? So to make an angle of 90 degree, I need to make these 2 arcs. So to make these two arcs, I need these 2 points. I mean, this point and this point. Yes. So these points are already there. You can see. So without joining this line, you can make use of this point and you can draw an arc here and you can make an arc here. Yes. Now, this much angle from, okay, let me just, you want to divide this complete angle now from here to here. This much, your 90-degree angle, right? So if you want to divide this complete angle, you need 2 points here, like 1 point here and 1 point here you need. Isn't it, Miraj? I mean, this O point you require if you want to draw its angle bisector. Is this point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You need this point O, isn't it? So if you will not join this line, if you will not draw this line, you will not get the point O. So that is why this 90-degree line has to be constructed first of all, so that it will give you this point O. Now, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me just erase this much. Right. Okay. So now I'll draw the angle bisector of 90-degree to get a 45-degree angle. So you take any distance in your compass, right? Any distance you can take. First of all, put it at point P and you make an arc. Now you put it at point O. So, and make an arc. So this is 45-degree. Now again, you have to draw a line. Why? Again, I'll tell you. You will need to draw this line. Why? Because to draw 22.5, you want to draw the angle bisector of this much angle, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why you require 1 point here and you require 1 point here. So now since you have joined this point, that is why you are getting this point here. Otherwise, how will you get this point? You will not know where this point is, right? So give it some name. P, Q, you can give it. So this time we will make use of the point P and we will make use of the point Q. So we will make an angle bisector of this angle. Now again, take some distance, any distance in your compass, put it at point P and make an arc. Now put it at point Q and make an arc. So you have got this point here, right? See, my pencil is not very sharp, but you have to mark it very accurately and then join it. So now this angle, this much angle is your 22.5 degree. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Miraj, any confusion? If there is any confusion, you can tell me. I'll repeat the construction. There's no problem. Yes, Hamna, any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Miraj, you have not replied.
What is that angle above 22.5?
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
This is also 22.5. Why? Because this complete angle, this much is 45-degree, right? And I
Yes.
have drawn the angle bisector of this angle. So that means this angle is equal to this angle. So it is dividing this angle into two equal parts. This is also 22.5. This is also 22.5. So that they will add up and form an angle of 45-degree.
Okay.
Right? So we usually start measuring from here, isn't it? Like I'm just putting my compass here like this. So I'll start measuring from here. So that is why in my construction, I'm showing this angle. So I've marked this angle 22.5. You can also write 22.5 here. There's no problem. But you just leave it blank, because this much only we require. We have to show how to construct an angle of 22.5 degree. Yes. So see, this is 22.5. This This is 22.5. This will add up and give you 45 degree. Yes, Miraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And then initially we had a 90-degree angle, and we have drawn the angle bisector of this 90-degree angle. So this much is 45. This much is also 45. So that they will add up 45 plus 45 and they will give you 90. So we have done half, then again half, and then we have got 22.5. Like that we are doing. Right? So first we constructed 90-degree, then we just divided this 90 into 45, 45, and then we have made use of this 45, and then again we have divided this 45 into 2 equal parts. So this is 22.5, this is also 22.5. So I've simply marked one angle 22.5. That's it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next 15-degree. How will you draw 15-degree? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, angle bisector of 30 degree.
Yes. Isn't it, Miraj? 15
Yes,
is
ma'am.
like double of 15 is 30 and double of 30 is 60. 60 degree you know how to construct. So basically again we have to divide it 2 times. First we will draw an angle of 60 degree. Not draw, I mean construct an angle of 60 degree. Then we will draw the angle bisector. So we will get 30, 30. And then again we will draw the angle bisector. That will give us 15, 15. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us draw it here itself. 15 degree is easy. Since it's going to be an acute angle, so it's going to be this side in your copy. So draw the line accordingly. Okay, just take any line, any distance, right? My line XY or any name you can give it to this line, right? Now take some distance in your compass, any fixed distance, right? And you make an arc, put it here, draw an arc. So this much is enough because 60-degree angle I require. Now with the same distance, put it here and make an arc, right? So this is my 60-degree angle. I can draw a line, but I can skip it because this point is already there. It's located and this is also located. So I have to make use of these 2 angles, and then I'll draw an angle bisector of it. Or you can construct. It's your wish. There's no problem. Draw a line. Okay, 60-degree, right? Now draw the angle bisector of 60 and divide it into 2 equal 30, 30. How will you do? Again, same, take some distance in your compass, any distance. Once you put it here and you make an arc, then you put it here and you cut this original arc. So you have got this point. Now you will have to draw a line because you don't know where the point is. Yes, Miraj? Here,
Yes, ma'am.
where will you keep your compass? You don't know. So that is why you need to join this line here. So that will give you some point here. Join
Ma'am,
it.
is this 30 degrees?
Yes, this is equal 30, 30. See, initially this much was 60-degree, right? Now this much is 30-degree and this much is also 30-degree. So we have drawn the angle bisector of 60-degree and we have divided into 2 30, 30. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will make use of this 30. You can also do the construction here. There's no problem, but I'm leaving this one blank. I'm doing my construction here in the lower 30 because just like a convention, I want to start my angle from the baseline. That's why. That's it. Okay. So I'll make use of this lower 30 and I'll again draw the angle bisector for this 30-degree angle. So that will give me 15, 15 on both sides. Clear? Again, take some distance in your compass, any distance. So this point, one point is here and another point is here. So take some distance and draw an arc. See, because this arc is joining with this arc, so I can just change the distance a little bit so that my arc falls here. Have you understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
At this point, you can change your distance, but when you are making an arc from these 2 points, like from here and here, your distance in the compass has to be same, right? So I don't want my arc to overlap with this one. So I'm taking a different distance. So I've just increased the distance a little bit so that my arc falls here. So I'm making an arc here, and now with the same distance, I'm just cutting this arc here. So now this is the point you have got. Join it.
How did you make the second arc?
Yeah, from here to here, just see the angle which you are dividing. I'm dividing this angle. So you have to take 1 point on this line and 1 point on the other line of this angle, right?
Yeah.
So 1 point here and 1 point here, because I want to divide this angle. So the points should fall on this angle only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When I was dividing this angle, so I made use of these 2 points, this and this. One point was here on this line, another point was here on this line, because I was dividing this angle, right? Now I'm dividing this angle. So one point has to be on this line, another on this line. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I have marked some equal distance and I've made an arc here. Then from this point, I have just cut this arc. So I've got this point here. Clear? Now I'm going to join this. So just do it very accurately and keep your pencil sharp so that you will get a clear line. So now this angle, again 30-30, I have divided into 15-15. So basically this is the angle of 15 degree I have got. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So once you learn how to draw 60, 120, 90 degree, and you know how to draw the angle bisector for any angle, you can draw any angle, right? Just remember how to draw the angle bisector for any angle. Yeah, okay, let's see the next question in the book. Construct the following angles and verify by measuring them with a protractor. Okay, so that you can measure 75 degree. Okay, who will tell me how to do an angle of 75 degree?
And
So
60 plus 15.
60 plus 15, yes, that's good. So let us just make a rough figure what you are doing here. What we will do in this case is we will construct an angle of 60 degree, right? This is your 60 degree angle. And because it is greater than 60, so you will need to draw the 120 degree angle. Yes, Hamna?
Yes, ma'am.
So basically this 60 is already there and you want to add 15 degree to it. So this time we will draw the angle bisector of this 60, right? So this 60 we will divide first into 30. Like this is going to give us 90 degree. So this much is 30 degree this time, right? Then we will do the angle bisector of this angle, like making 2 arcs here. So this angle is going to be 15 degree. So when this 15 degree will add up with this 60 degree, this complete angle is going to be of 75 degree. Is the picture clear? I think it's not clear. Let me draw it here. See, first of all, you take a line, right? Let me make use of my whiteboard. Just a minute. Yes, we will draw it like this. See, first of all, we will take a baseline, clear? And we will make an angle of 60 degree. Then we will make an arc, some arc here, right? Then we will mark 60 degree and then we will mark 120 degree. Yes, Miraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this 60 degree is here and this 120 degrees here. I mean, this is a rough figure I'm making. Right, so this 60 degree is already there. Now you want to add 15 degree to this 60 degree. So basically you have to divide this angle this time, this one, right? because you want to add to this 60 degree. So you will divide it and you will get a 90-degree angle. That you know how to draw a 90-degree angle. So 90 degree means, so this much is again 30 and this much is again 30. No. I'm sorry what I'm doing. Yeah, I think I'm right. Wait. See, this is the arc, right? This is your 60 degree, this is your 120 degree, isn't it? Okay, this is 60 degree and this is 120 degree. So basically this is also 60 and this is also 60, right? So if you divide this angle, so that you will get 30. So you will get 30 here and then you will get 30 here. Yes, any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now if you divide this 30 again and you draw an angle bisector, so you will get 15 here and you will get 15 here, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this complete angle, like from here to here, this will give you an angle of 75 degree. 60 degree plus 15. So 60 degree you already had, and then you have added this 15 degree, so you get a complete angle of 75 degree. So basically what we are doing is we are making use of this angle, and this angle we are dividing 2 times. So first we have divided it into 30, and then we have divided this again into 15. So we will get an angle of 75 degree. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So let us draw the construction. Let's come back to our construction. So because it's going to lie like 90 degrees going to lie here, so I'm just drawing my line at the center. Right. Now you make an angle of 60, 120 and 90. This much you know so far. Make an arc. Now put it here. This is your 60 degree. And again, this is your 120 degree, right? So these 2 points I have now, you take any distance in your compass. First you put it here and make an arc. And now you put it here and you make an arc. So you will get an angle of 90 degree. So join this point, like this point is A and B, and this point is P, whatever, you can join AP. Okay, 90 degree I have got. Now you can also draw, okay, no need to join because this point is already there. I require this point and I require this point because this much angle is 30 degree, right? Yes, because this is 30 plus 30, isn't it? I'm dividing this into 2 equal parts, and that is why I'm getting 90. 60 plus 30, 90. Yes, Miraj?
Yes, ma'am.
So this angle is already 30 degree, this much. Now I'm going to divide this 30 degree into again 15. So I have to make use of this point and this point. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now take some distance in your compass. So I'm changing the distance because I don't want the arc to coincide. I'm just taking a greater distance this time. So put it here at 60 degree, make an arc. Now again, put it here and cut this arc. So this is the point I'm getting, right? Now you join it with the help of the scale. So now this much is 15 and this much is 15. Clear? So this 15, or you do one thing, you join your 60 degree also. Like in the starting, you can join it just to avoid confusion, no problem. So this was the 60 degree angle. And now I have got this 15 degree here. So this 15 plus this 60 will give me 75 degrees. So if I put a point here, like point, whatever, point Q and AB. So angle QAB B is equal to 75 degrees, the required angle. So you mark it here, from here to here, this is 75 degree. You have to mark it like from where to where it is 75. Yeah, any confusion in this question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Miraj, any confusion? Say if you have any confusion, just tell me.
Clear.
Okay. Next, 105. Okay, how will you draw 105? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, 90 plus 15.
90 plus 15. Yes, good. So 90 plus 15 means, see, this is exactly 90, right? And this much is 30. Yes. So basically, this time you have to draw the angle bisector for this angle. And this will give you 15, 15. So you will add this 15 into 90, and then you will get this complete angle of 105. Is the picture clear in your mind?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Miraj, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this time we made use of this side. This time we are going to do the angle bisector this side because we want to add this to 90, right? 90 is already there. 90, this much, don't disturb. It's already there, 90 degree. Now you want to add some 15 to this 90. So you divide this side and add it to 90. So this will give you 105. Clear? Okay. So again, start with the construction of 90 degree. Make you, because it's going to be a bit this side 105, so draw it accordingly here. Okay, this is the original baseline. I'm taking AB. So take some distance and make an arc. Now this is 60 and this is 120, right? Now you can take the same distance or you can change it a little bit, no problem. Now draw the angle bisector for this angle. So this arc is there and this arc is there. So this basically 30, 30. You have got 30, 30 here, right? This much is 60. You have got 30, 30. And when you will draw this line, so 30 plus 60 will give you 90 degree angle. So that's how it is made. So this is the 90 degree angle we have got. Clear. Now we don't disturb this 90 because we want to add 15 to this 90. So we will work left side. Clear? So this is the angle we want to divide now. This is already 30 degree angle. And we want to divide it into two equal parts of 15, 15. So we need this point and we need this point. So this point is already there. I'm not drawing a line. Point is already there. And this point. Now take some distance. So change the distance so that it doesn't overlap with this arc. Just change the distance. Put it here and make an arc. And then put it here and make an arc. So this is the point you have got. Now join it. So this is 15, 15. Clear? Clear? This is 15, this is 15. This much is 15 degrees and this is 90 degree. So now 15 degree plus 90 degree is going to be 105 degrees. So you can mark the angle here from here to here. This is 105 degree. Give it some name P. So angle PAB is equal to 105 degree.
And how did you draw P?
P is this, like, see, Miraj, this is 90, don't disturb this, right? Now this angle is 30 degree, clear?
Yes.
This is 30, so I want to divide this angle 30 into two equal parts. So this is 15, this is, because I have not drawn the line, that is why you are confused. See, this is the 120 degree line. I have not drawn it because, just let me, you can draw it in case you get confused. There is no problem, you can draw it. because I required this point. This point was already there, so I just skipped drawing this line, or you can draw, no problem. So this much angle is again 30 degree, right?
Huh.
So I'm dividing this angle into 15, 15. So I've made use of these 2 points, 1 point on this line of the angle, 1 point on this line of the angle. So I have taken some distance in the compass and I've drawn one arc from here, another cut this arc from here, join this line. So 15, 15 I've got. So this from 15 plus this 90. So from here to here, this is your 105-degree angle. Is this clear?
Not clear.
See, 90-degree is also the angle bisector. What to make a 90-degree angle, just understand it again. You take a line, right? Take a line here, just a rough construction I'm doing. And then you make an angle of 60 degree and then again 60 degree, right? So basically the actual angle, is 60 degree, how to draw a 60-degree angle. So this is 60, this is 60. Now you want 90. So 90 means 60 plus 30, isn't it?
Huh.
So what we do is we take this angle of 60 degree and we divide this into two equal parts of 30, 30. So we draw the angle bisector of this angle. So that is why we make use of these 2 points. You can join the line, there's no problem. So I just skipped join because these points are already there and that makes the picture very messy. So I just skipped drawing these lines. I simply made use of these 2 points and we draw the angle bisector. So we take some distance in our compass and we make an arc from here. And then when we make an arc of here and this, so basically this is 30 and this is also 30, right? So this 30, when it adds up with 60, it gives you an angle of 90 degree. So that is how we construct a 90-degree angle. Clear? So I want 105 this time. So I again made use of this 30 and I've again divided this 13 to 15, 15. So this 15 will add up and it will give you 105. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, I think the time is also over and I'm leaving one question for you, which is 135. So who will tell me 135? How will you draw?
Ma'am, 120 plus 15.
120 plus 15. Yes, very good. So this time you have to work on the left of 120 degree. Let me just tell you the rough figure. You will draw the construction yourself with the help of compass. Right, Miraj? I'm just telling you how to do it roughly. Or let me use my whiteboard. Wait. Okay, so what was the angle?
135.
135. So 135, this means we are going to break it into 120 degree plus 15 degree. Clear? So first we will construct an angle of 120 degree. How to do it, draw a line, right? Make an arc like this. This is your 60, this is your 120. Clear? So this is your 120 already there. Yes. Now, since you want to add to this 120 degrees, so basically you have to add 15 degree extra. So this much is already 120. So don't disturb this angle. You have to work on the left side this time. So what will you do it? You just extend this line, the base line, and you complete your arc here. So make use of this point and make use of this point. Clear? And you draw the angle bisector for this line. How much is this complete angle so far? See, this complete is 180. 180 minus 120. How much is this angle? 60 degree, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, this much is 120. So this is how much? 60 degree. That is why it will give you a complete angle of 180 degrees. So this much is 60 so far. So you will draw the angle bisector for this 60 degree. You will make an arc here. You will make an arc here from these 2 points. So this angle is again 30, 30, right? Now this much is 30. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you divide this again, this 30. So now this time make use of this point and make use of this point, which falls on the 30 degree angle. So making use of these 2 points, you again divide this into two So join this and this much angle, this time you will get 15 degree. Clear? So this 15 degree, when it will add with this 120, this complete is going to be 135. Is the picture clear in your mind?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So can you do the construction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you try doing it. In case you find it difficult, we can do it in the next class. So I think this much is enough for today. I'm just ending the class. Rest exercises we will do in the next class. Okay then. Bye. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Okay. Good night.